Best deals.
1. Spice Rack. Features a 3-layer design, providing ample space to store a variety of spices and condiments. Made from high-quality plastic, these containers are durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. It's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Storage Bag. Spacious 120L design helps organize blankets, quilts, saris, lehengas, dresses and seasonal clothes neatly in wardrobes and storage spaces. Waterproof fabric helps protect stored items from dust, moisture and daily storage exposure for better organization. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Vegetable Chopper. Has smart design with an inbuilt container for effortless food prep. Advanced sliding technology, unique food holder that moves on track for extra comfort and safety. Heavy duty, rust-resistant blades that withholds sharpness for long. Diverse and detachable blades, 5 different options: V-slicer, wavy slicer, julienne, two-way julienne and a fine shredder for variation in chopping and cutting. Effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Easy, mess-free grating, perfect for cutting, slicing, shredding and chopping fruits, vegetables and more. The grater can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Baking Tray. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, designed for easy release, quick cleanup, and high durability. Includes air fryer paper sheets, air fryer accessories items, air fryer silicone baking tray, silicone idli liners, and silicone air fryer tray for all your cooking needs. Use the silicone mold for air fryer to bake cakes, cookies, and bread, or cook meals like chicken, veggies, and fries. These silicone liners for air fryer help prevent food from sticking, making it easy to remove items without scraping or damaging your air fryer basket. All accessories are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your favorite meals. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Organizer. Keep your cookware neat and accessible with this adjustable tawa stand for kitchen storage. Perfect for organizing pans, lids, and trays while saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this kitchen organizer rack offers exceptional stability and strength. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tawa. Advanced non-stick surface ensures smooth food release, minimal oil use, and easy cleaning for healthier everyday cooking. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Masher. Made from high-quality stainless steel material. Hygienic and easy to clean after use. Suitable for sweet potato, cauliflower, parsnip. There's no limit to root vegetable options. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tray. With handles was artfully crafted with all of your needs in mind. It's perfect for serving dinner, cocktails, tea or as vintage coffee table decor. Perfect to storage your daily essentials or decorative accessories. It can be used as bathroom vanity tray, perfume trays, dresser tray, decorative tray, makeup tray organizer. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Muffin Tray. Is designed for long-lasting use. Non-stick coating ensures easy cake release for perfect cupcakes every time. This muffin tray is microwave safe, oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and dishwasher safe, offering convenience and versatility for all your baking needs. Bake in the microwave or oven with ease. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Filter Coffee Maker. Crafted to extract perfect decoction, it gives a bold and smooth taste, ideal for both hot and cold coffee lovers. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this filter coffee maker is rust-proof, durable, and easy to clean. It ensures long-lasting performance while maintaining the authentic flavor of freshly brewed coffee. Enjoy your morning brew with consistency and convenience every time. This filter coffee maker is ideal for both hot filter coffee and cold brew preparations. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice Cube Tray. Is made of PP material, which could be used for a long time without being broken because it is long-lasting. Create cylinder-shaped ice that fits in bottles. Use it with confidence. You can directly touch the ingredients. The lids prevent refrigerator odors from entering the ice cubes to keep food fresh. Great for meal prep for adult and baby food. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mortar and pestle sets. Made from durable, high-quality stone for long-lasting use. Embrace centuries-old techniques in food preparation. Perfect for grinding spices, making pesto, or preparing authentic pastes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mixer grinder. Is an 800-watt mixer grinder built to handle tough ingredients with ease, ideal for chutneys, batters, and more, making it one of the best mixer grinders for Indian kitchens. Equipped with 4 leak-proof jars, this mixer grinder features advanced interlocking lids that ensure safe, spill-free grinding and juicing, even during high-speed operations. This mixer grinder comes with a dedicated grinder jar that allows you to grind spices, coffee, lentils, and more, all with smooth precision and high durability for everyday cooking needs. With its blending jar, this mixer grinder with juicer function lets you make fresh juices, smoothies, and shakes, perfect for your daily health routine. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oats jar. Is a unique way to store and enjoy foods such as yogurt, cereal and overnight oats whether at home or on the go. Jar with a wide opening making it easy to eat from, as well as a durable stainless steel lid which doubles as a measuring cup, a silicone sealing disc, and an innovative silicone band with a stainless steel spoon. The capacity of this container is 0.35 liter, 350 milliliters, which is perfect for storing medium portions of fruit and on-the-go breakfast items. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass with pristine clarity and consistent thickness ensuring no weak points. This jar is dishwasher safe. Glass is made from natural ingredients, ensuring no harmful chemicals or toxins can leak into your food. The glass is also BPA-free and does not absorb odors, flavors, or stains. Not only is glass a healthier option, but it is also made to last and never for single use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Slow juicer. Features a strong 240 W motor that effortlessly handles everything from soft fruits to hard veggies. The 75 mm wide feeding tube of juicer fits whole, reducing prep time for quick juicing. The large juice bowl allows for continuous juicing with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Libra cold press juicer for home. The included patented cleaning brush makes it easy to remove pulp and residue from the juice's components, ensuring your electric juicer for fruits and vegetables stays clean and ready for the next use. Made from spacecraft-grade Ultem plastic and Triton, a juice machine is built to last. All parts are 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your juice is safe and free from harmful chemicals. The stainless steel strainer adds to the durability and performance of juicer machine electric. Product link is given in the 15th link.